Hello friends, now here is the expression. The most common mistake is assuming both the terms are identical. Many of people multiply the exponents in both the cases and leading them to believe that expression it becomes like 2 into 3 that is 6 minus 2 into 3 that is 6 and equals to 0. But answer is not 0. However, the presence or absence of parentheses completely change how you calculate the power. So now to find the correct answer, we'll break it the expression into the two distinct parts based on the exponent law. Evaluate the first term 2 power 2 and bracket off then power 3. So when a power is raised to another power using the parentheses, you use the power of a power rule. See, the power rule says a power m and then power n is multiplied by n. So now calculate 2 power 2 and then power 3. So we'll calculate it 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 2 power 6. So now 2 power 6 equals to 64. Now evaluate the second term. Second term says 2 power 2 and then power 3. So now for the tar exponents without the parentheses, the order of operations dictates your work the top down. The exponent of the base is 2 and the entire expression, and calculate first the top exponent. 2 power 3 is equal to 8 and this makes the term 2 power 8 is equal to 256. So the final we subtract the result, subtract the two of the results as the written in the original equation. So now 64 minus 256 is equal to. Now the conclusion says the difference lies in how the exponents interact. Parentheses group the base and the first exponent together, while a stack of exponents without the parentheses forces you to solve the highest power first. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.